Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger, pushing each other to the limits. We were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. Songs have been sold. We've traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still learning about life. My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still sorry. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Remember life and then your life becomes a better one. Once I was 11 years old. Don't mind them bottles on the shelf or the pills on the floor. Probably see all the hell through the hole in my door. The only thing in this house that ain't been a war is a bed, 'cause the truth is I don't sleep anymore. Trust me, don't you worry about that burnt pile sitting out back. It's just full of all the memories from my past, and I don't wanna talk about it, so please don't ask. Please don't ask. Excuse the mess, I'm a wreck. Oh, 'cause she got the best of my heart and my head, left an ache in my chest. Now I ain't been the same since she left. Since she left. Oh, excuse the mess. Blood on my knuckle, about as red as my eyes. That cigarette's about as gone as my mind. I try to run from demons, but I can't hide. I can't hide. Excuse the mess, I'm a wreck. Oh, 'cause she got the best of my heart and my head, left an ache in my chest. Now I ain't been the same since she left. Since she left. Oh, excuse the mess. excuse a mess, I'm a wreck. Oh, 'cause she got the best of my heart in my head with an ache in my chest. Now I ain't been the same since she left, since she left. Excuse the mess, I'm a wreck. Oh, 'cause she got the best of my heart in my head, left an ache in my chest. Now I ain't been the same since she left, since she left. Oh, excuse the mess. Don't mind them bottles on the shelf or the pills on the floor. It don't matter 'cause she ain't coming back anymore.